You can see here is I'm in the middle of soldering the SMD component using my soldering iron and tweezers as well. This is a new challenge for me, as you can see all the SMD component is smaller in size. So I pick it wisely and there we go, one by one. Put it the component at the top of the pads there. All the SMD components come in small sizes, but I give it a try anyway. Okay, in order to soldering the SMD component, so first step is you thin up the soldering iron first, as usual, at the tip of the soldering iron. Just thin a bit, okay, just like that, like so. Next, you clean up the tip. Make it nice and sharp, clean and sharp. Just nice, look like this. Ready one of the component here to place it, to solder it to the one of the pad on the PCB. Yeah, I solder it one of the pad here. Then you take the component and solder it to the one pad. Then solder it another end on the pad as well, on the second pad as well. Sometimes the SMD component do falls at times, and it makes me dead meat to find it out. Where is it? It's hard though to find. Then we got one of the SMD component, which was the resistor. This is the most common. And we got the SMD component, which was capacitor. So I'm trying out this 8 SMD component to solder it out. The SMD component for capacitor is quite hard at times. I have to turn around the board to understand. Actually, it's quite small in size, so I have to precise when soldering. So it's quite hard. Then we got SMD component, which is LED. I think this is the quite easy part to solder it, which I showed just now. Then we got another type of SMD component, which was the resistor. Then another type, the SMD component, which was LED here. I think the SMD component for LED is quite easy to solder it. But I think my soldering skill is, I still have to improve a lot. Then wish me luck in this last component, which was the op amps. I see, op amps. On my first try on op amps. I failed hard times on these op amps, so this is my first try on op amps. So I have to try another op amps. This is my last try, so I give it the best. Soldering the top first, then one here, then another side there. I think for the SMD component for the last part, I done much okay though. So here's got LED, resistor, and capacitor. Here top part is also resistor. This is my first try on op amps. Then is my second try of op amps, which is I think it's quite okay. So I'm just gonna continue and soldering up the rest of the component. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.